Southern service to Epsom Down via Norbury, calling at Battersea Park, Hamburg Junction, Wandsworth Common, Mallow, Streatham Common, Norbury, Horton Heath, Selhurst, West Croydon, Wadley, Waddington, Harshilton Beaches, Sutton, Burnham, Manston and Epsom Downs. This train is formed of 8 coaches. The train at platform 13 is the 11:29 Capital Express service to Brighton via Gatwick Airport. Will passengers intending to travel on this service please join the train now and will be ready to leave. Platform 13 for the 11:29 Capital Express.
This is a security house. Beware, pickpockets operate in this station. Please keep your belongings with you at all times. Thank you.
The next train to depart from platform 12 will be the 11:38 Southern service to Brighton, calling at Clapham Junction, East Croydon, Burnley, Portsmouth South, Mersey, Redhill and Brighton. This train is for Platform 10 for the 11:36 Southern service to West Croydon via Crystal Palace, calling at Battersea Park, Clapham Junction, Mallow, Streatham Hill, West Norwood, Gypsy Hill, Crystal Palace, Norwood Junction and West Croydon. This train is formed of 8 coaches. The train at platform 10 is the 11:36 Southern service to West Croydon via Crystal Palace. Will passengers intending to travel on this service please join the train now, as it is ready to leave. Platform 10 for the 11:36 Southern service to West Croydon via Crystal Palace, which is ready to leave. East Croydon, Northern South, Merton, Reading and Croydon. This train The train at platform 12